हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आप लोगों का द एलीट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में। सो गाइस, टुडे गाइस आर गोइंग टू हैव डिबेट ऑन द टॉपिक इंग्लिश मीडियम हिंदी शुड बी आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज और इंग्लिश शुड बी आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज। हिंदी हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा होनी चाहिए कि इंग्लिश हमारी राष्ट्रभाषा होनी चाहिए, ये हमारा आज का मुद्दा है। अब दोस्त, आप लोग इस वीडियो को बहुत ही गौर से देखो। मैं अब उन सभी को कहना चाहूँगा जो लोग चाहते कि मैं बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोल सके, तो आप इन बंदों को सुनो और वीडियो के अंत में मैं आपको बताऊंगा, ये बंदे आपको खुद बताएंगे कि इन्होंने अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखी और इन्होंने इसके लिए क्या क्या किया। सो आप उस चीज़ को अगर अपने लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हैं तो आप भी बहुत अच्छे स्पीकर बन सकते हैं। ओके गाइस, सो इन लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। आप लोग का टॉपिक आपका क्या है?
हिंदी शुड बी आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज।
इंग्लिश शुड बी आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज। आपका है इंग्लिश शुड बी आवर नेशनल लैंग्वेज। ओके गाइस, सो watch.
So Mr. Vikas, first of all, I would like to say good morning to our spectators and all of the guys who are seated here, and thanks to all of the thanks to all of the guys who are watching us on Facebook, YouTube and Facebook. So do you wanna tell anything?
Yeah, first I would like to say very good morning to all of the guys who all are watching us on YouTube and all of the guys who is having here. I am very glad to be here. But by the way, this is Vikas Chaudhary and today I am Mr. Ahmad. I have debate English should be our national language or Hindi should be our national language. So Mr. without any further ado, let's get started and you tell me what's our burning issue today.
Today our topic today I am favoring that Hindi should be our national languages because Mr. if you talk about Japan, America and China, you know their native language is also their national language. So right now why India Hindi should not be our national language, although our native language is Hindi. So it should be our national language. Hindi should be our national languages.
But Mr. It seems to me English should be our national language, but because nowadays English is first global language and English is not spoken only in India but in this world. And you have recently talked about Japan. There is a WhatsApp difference between Japan and India. If you talk about Japan, then Japan population is just 12 crore, and in Japan, in whole Japan, only Japanese is spoken. But if you talk about India, then India's population is approx 145 crore. But in India there is 21 states and 8 union territory, and every states and union territory is having different language. So it is almost impossible to make Hindi to our national language, because if you make Hindi to our national language, then South states people like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarati, and those all person belongs to Andhra Pradesh, they will start protesting, and we have seen it many times. So I don't think so that Hindi should be our national language.
Okay, Mr. Vikas, you are saying that right now English is spoken all over the world. So Mr. right now English is global language, so that is why it is spoken all over the world. Right now if Hindi were global language, then Hindi would be spoken all over the world. And you are saying that what is the difference between Japan and India? Japan population is very less as compared to India. So Mr. and you are also saying that in Japan, in whole Japan, Japanese is spoken. So Mr. in India Hindi right now all Indians are also well versed with Hindi by fair means or foul. And you are saying that in every state India, in every state they are having their another language. So Mr. right now in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and many states Hindi is spoken. So right now why Hindi shouldn't be our national language?
So okay, Mr. You have talked about Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. In these all states Hindi is spoken, I know, but India's only 50 to 55% population talk in Hindi. But it's not enough. But if you talk about South states like in Karnataka, Kannada is spoken, in Tamil Nadu, Tamil is spoken, in Andhra, Kannada is spoken. If you also talk about Kerala, then in Kerala, Malayalam is spoken. So there is a number of lists of states, and where Hindi is not spoken. If you also talk about our seven sisters, in which in northeast states, which is called our seven sisters, there is Hindi is not spoken. So what about those whole states? If you make English to our national language, then India will have to face the music. And if you come to know why when our country got freedom in 1947, then why that time our constitution maker did not make Hindi to our national language? Because they were very prospective and they wanted that English should be our national language. So they did not make Hindi to our national language that time, and they think that in future English will be our national language, because there is future in English. One person, I think Vivek Mindra, said that if you are having knowledge of English, then you will overshadow, you will surpass 50% people.
Okay,
and Mr. English spoken is not all about language. It's all about the public speaking. If you learn English, then you will get knowledge of public speaking, yes. And in future you can get success, you can get name and fame in this world.
Yes, Mr. D, you are talking about that. That state where their native language is spoken. So Mr. right now those all state people are able to to understand Hindi easily. But you know they are well versed with Hindi by fair means or foul. But what will happen if you speak English in front of Bihari people, Jharkhand people, and Madhya Pradesh people, and Uttar Pradesh people? You know.
Mister, you are talking about Biharis. Okay, you are talking about Biharis.
Our national language. You are talking in future English will be our national language. So, Mister, you know, it is asked for the moon for us, and you know, right now it is not on the card. So you are saying that in future it will be our national language. How can you say that in future it will be our national language?
Okay.
Mister, you know, right now how many students are able to have something in their life? You know, many students are present in our Bihar and many states who are not able to get flying colors in Hindi. In this condition, what will happen if they be taught everything in English, even physics, chemistry, biology, geography, history? What will happen with that student?
So, Mister, you know, you haven't had your education in science stream. Mister, if you go to study physics, chemistry, and biology, you know, you will be taught in English. I have had my 12th in science stream, you know, and there I had to study physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics in English. So, Mister, even you are studying, if you suppose you are below to 10th, then you will study in English. But higher education, if you want to complete your higher education, then you will have to talk in English, you will have to study in English. And you know, if you talk about good things, suppose if you want to have your medical,
yes.
suppose if you want to have your if you want to get any degree in medical, then you will have to study in English. You can't study in English because you know good books are not available in Hindi. Maximum good books has been written by foreign writers, and maximum books has been written in English. So, Mister, ultimately you will have to learn English if you wanna gain success in your life. Even you can't get a single success without English. You know, it's believed that if you are having knowledge of English, then you can definitely get success. You can get flying colors in your life.
Yes,
so I think it should be our national language.
Yes, Mr. Because I see eye to eye with you. I know when it comes to the method in English, then you know English is a nectar of life for us. Because you know if you are having the knowledge of English, then you will be able to get something in your life. But you know right now if you talk about I know if you wanna survive yourself in this world, then you must know how to speak English. So you know right now in India, in every schools and college, in one class English is taught as a subject. So,
Mister, you are believing that English is elixir of life for us. Having said that, you are saying to me it should not be our national language. Mister, you know, right now, it hasn't been decided that Hindi is our national language or English is our national language. Having said that, we have to study English. But you know, in South, Hindi is not spoken. So they are unwilling to change their language. They are averse to change their language, and they are saying we can learn English at the blink of an eye. And if anyone wanna learn English, then you know it has been coming from earth. And in our country, there have been influence of English. So nowadays everyone can learn English very easily. You know, but you know, if English be our national language, then it will be useful for our country. It will be fruitful for our country. But you know, further it will not help our citizens to get job. It's dead right. You know, if you wanna have job in any abroad country, then you have to have knowledge of English. If you are having no knowledge of English, then how will you job in any abroad country? Mister, you tell me, if you wanna have job in any abroad country, then how will you have?
Mister, right now Chinese are not having trade with other countries.
Yeah.
Japanese are not having trade with other countries. Americans are not having trade with other countries. Why they are not helping on changing their national language? But we Indian, some person wanna go to abroad country. That is why we should change our national language.
Mister,
Yes.
you know, in China, in whole China, in whole China, Madrid is spoken, but in whole India,
Yes.
Hindi is not spoken. And
But
you are
right
saying,
now,
okay,
Indians are well versed with Hindi or
okay,
not,
Mister, you are
but
saying.
right now, what is the condition of Bihari people? They are having information. They are having knowledge in English.
Mister, you are saying Chinese are having trade with us. So will you
Yes.
tell me how many Chinese are working in other countries
the dint of-
and how many Indians
by the
are
dint
working
of
in other
English.
countries? Nowadays, according to data, you know, approx 2 crore Indians are giving their service in other countries.
Yes, I know.
So, Mister, have you ever listened that 2 crore Chinese are giving their service in other countries?
No.
You have never listened. Why? Because in China
But
there is
Mister,
job opportunity,
it doesn't matter how many
and
Chinese
Mister,
are giving their service
China
or not,
is
but Chinese are giving
having
their service
large area, so China
Yes.
can establish their factories, they can grow crops, but we the Indians are having no much land, so we will have to move further, and if we want to move further, then
Mister,
we
you
will
know,
have to
right now,
we
you
will
know,
have to learn English.
Mister, you know, English was made global language by England people, you know. And being an Indian, you are saying.
No,
that English is our national
Mister,
language.
what are you
Mister,
talking?
You know, right now Hindi is also having influence in all over the world. You know, in Japan, in USA, in Britain, you know, these all country people are trying to.
What are you saying? You are saying to say
Yes.
English has been made global language by British. You know, British population is just 6.8 crore. So English has not been been made by global language by British. English has been made global language by this world, because in this world, in every country, English is spoken. If you talk about America, then you know America is a developed country, and in America, English is spoken. If you talk about Britannians' native language is English. Even in India, English is spoken. You know, India's 2% population know good English. But if you talk about,
how many Indians are able to, and you know, Mr. You know, right now, if you talk about Indians, then you know, Indians are devoted to Hindi, you know. So right now we are able to change our language.
Yeah, I know Indians are devoted to Hindi, but
Mr. You are saying that life is very easy if everything be in English. So Mr. It is just good for saying.
Mr. I know Indians are devoted to their language, and we are
well versed with those students who are good for nothing.
And we are asked to change our language, but
Mr.
you know,
I am just talking about about myself. You know, I am studying. I have been studying in this institute for 1 year. Having said that, right now I am not able to speak English on and on. So, Mr. You can also think.
No, Mr.
I am good
right now.
I am good in.
Right now, you are talking English, and you are able to talk in English.
Yes, but right now I am not able to. I am not able to speak English on and on. And so, in this condition, what will happen? You know, Mr.
What will be happen?
Although I am good in study, having said that, I am not able to.
So, Mr. First you have said.
What will happen if Bihari student we taught everything in English? Mr. They will live their life from hand to mouth.
Mr. I think you don't know the potential of Bihari's people. You know, Mr. Bihari can do anything, and you are talking about, you are comparing Biharis to other people. Mr. We are having potential, and I think you don't know.
To have something in English,
Mr. This world's toughest examination UPSC is being cleared by maximum Biharis, and we cannot learn English.
Yes,
what is this? And you are saying we are averse to change our language. Then, Mr. You don't know, change is the.
We are averse to change our
Mr.
language.
Change is the rule of nation, and change is the rule of nature, and we should change ourselves according to it.
Yes,
so nowadays it's time for English, and we should change ourselves, and we should learn English. And Mr. I am not saying, you know, if it be our national language, then it will be learned by Indian students as a skill, and you know it will help for to getting anything. You know, if you talk about European countries, then you know in Europe it is mandatory for every students they will have to learn at least 2 languages. And it's believed that if you know 2 languages, you know how to talk in 2 languages. Suppose you are a polyglot, then you know at the 11th hour of your life, you will not lose your mental health. You know, if you are having knowledge of 2 languages, then your mental health will be good. So, Mr. I think it should be learned as a skill.
So, Mr. Vikas, if you talk about English, so everybody knows that what is the merits of English. So right now English is taught in one class in our India. So, Mr. what is the need of making it a first language? I mean to say that national language.
Mr. You know, in
Mr.
this world,
why right now Hindi is not having influence in all over the world? Why Hindi is not spoken by all over the world?
So you are saying we are learning English since our childhood. So Hindi should be our national language, and we are learning English. But Mr. You don't know, when it's come to international communities, then you know in United Nations organization, India will have to raise its issue in Hindi. If English be our national language, then we will raise our issue in English. And you know, South states people are protesting. They are saying everything should be released in English. They are saying courts summons any reports like budget should be produced in English, because they are able to learn English. They are able to understand English. But you know, other peoples are unable to understand because their language, their native language is other language. So they are saying English should be our national language, and I think it seems to me English should be our national language because it may be a connective language. Because Hindi may not be a connective language, because South peoples are averse to learn Hindi. They are saying I can learn English, and they are having knowledge of English. Even you know, if you talk about many great scholars of South states, you know, APJ Abdul Kalam, the great scientist of India, he had been a student of English medium student. So he became a great scientist. Even if you talk about great scientists name like Satish Dhawan, Homi Jahangir, Baba Descent, K. Shivan, they all have had their education in English.
Yes, I know.
If they were studied English, Hindi, then how they can get success like this?
I know you are just giving the example of that person who have had success in their life, and you know who had success in their life, but you are not thinking about our government school students. You know, right now they are living their life from hand to mouth. although they are taught everything in Hindi. That is why they are not able to have something in their life.
Why they are- why-
What will be happened with them, Mister?
Mister, why they are unable to have job in their
Yes.
life? Why they
Why
are
they are
unable
not
to get
able to
anything in their life?
understand? Mister,
Because
you just
it's
say
believed
one
that,
thing. You
Mister,
just say one
in
thing.
India
They
it's
are not
believed
able to
that
have something they are
in
not
India it's believed that I don't know it's real or wrong.
Yes.
Mister, if you are having knowledge of English, then definitely some way or other you will get success in your life.
And yes, I know, and those students are not getting flying colors in their life who knows how to speak Hindi.
They know how to talk English, but Mister,
why there is difference between Hindi and English? Although our native language is Hindi, so Mister, why?
Mister, you are saying our native language is in Hindi,
Yes.
but other states' native language is not Hindi.
But those all states are able to understand Hindi or not by clear means or
What are you
But
talking?
Mister, what will happen?
What are you
How
talking?
many Biharis
We are
able
the
to
human.
understand
We are the human, and this
Mister,
all
Mister.
human can understand Hindi. What does it mean? This
Yes.
all should learn Hindi.
No,
Mister,
yes.
it's believed that
Then Mister, why?
it's believed that English is more easy as compared to Hindi. Hindi is a complex subject, you know,
But
and it's also
why
complex
English is spoken
language.
by everyone. And right now, what will happen if you tell English in front of any Bihari?
What will happen? Nothing will happen.
Yes,
Nowadays,
nothing will
everyone
happen.
is able to
Mister, you
understand
will be
English.
abused. I think you.
No, you will not be
Because
abused.
You know, right now we are having debates, so you are saying like this.
Mister, you will not be abused, and illiterate. I know, illiterate people will not understand. But it's the reality. Only the bearer knows where the soup pinches.
I know.
If you have studied, then you will come to know, and who hasn't studied, then how they will
And
come
you
to
know,
know.
Mister, our ancestor used to speak Hindi, and since that time we have been speaking Hindi. So
Yeah.
right now we should change our.
Mister, our ancestors-
And we
you are
should
saying-
not forget
yeah.
bygones be bygones.
You are saying
We
our
living
ancestors,
here.
our ancestors used to talk in Hindi.
Yes.
What are you talking? You know, India's,
And here time,
India's Mister.
That time 60% people.
You are in
But
hallucination.
70%,
You are in hallucination. You know,
Yes.
India's oldest language is Tamil, and second oldest language is Sanskrit. So our ancestors used to talk in Tamil or Sanskrit. They used to not talk in Hindi. Mister, it is a dry-watched language. It has been English, Hindi has been miniatured from Sanskrit and Tamil.
Sanskrit is the father of all languages, and Hindi came from Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Yes. Why are you helping
so
to
Mister,
live to our Hindi languages?
because I am
this one.
concerned to whole Indians, and I don't think so that in India there should be violence, because when it comes to matter of making Hindi to our national language, suddenly violence starts in India. It is essentially famous South actor actor Kicha said that if Hindi be our national language, then we will protest, and he was completely against of Amit Shah, because Amit Shah said that Hindi will be our national language.
Yes.
So many person will
Mister,
start protesting.
Mister, if anyone says that English should be our national language, then protest will be done by Bihari people and Bihari.
No. Bihari will not make any types of protest, because Biharis know I can learn English. Biharis know I can learn English,
Mister,
and
what is the condition of
nowadays,
Bihari student? I am well versed with everyone.
Mister, I think you don't know. There are
Mister,
many great teachers of English, and they are from Bihar.
Mister,
I think you don't know about Neetu Singh. She is famous in SSC English. She is from Bihar. If you talk about Dharmendra sir, he is also famous on YouTube, and he is also from Bihar. So they are the Biharis, and they are the master of English. They are the past masters of English. So how can I say that Biharis can't understand English? They can't learn English.
You are just giving me the example of those persons who have had success in their life. Right now, what is the condition of Bihari students? They are looking good to say something in front of our society.
Why?
Yeah, why?
It's the mistake of our government. It's the problem of our government.
Because even they are not good in Hindi. In this condition, what will happen if they will taught everything in English? Mister, they will have to live their life from hand to mouth. They will live study.
Mister, if English be indispensable, then they will have to learn, and they will definitely
Yes,
learn,
they will have to
because it will provide job opportunities in their life, and it will open the door of success of their life.
Yes,
So
I know.
definitely they will learn. They will come to know.
Yes, but Mister, they have to live their life from hand to mouth if they go for learn English. Because
And
you know,
Mister,
if you
and
learn
Mister,
English, it
Mister,
won't work
okay,
for
okay.
everyone.
You are
Right now,
no.
it is hard to crack for everyone.
You are talking about only Biharis, but you are what about other
also
states?
talking about, Uttar Pradesh.
Mister, when
I'm also talking
Hindi be our national language,
Yes.
then Assam peoples, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Kerala, Tamil Nadu's people will have to learn English. So, Mister, we cannot understand. One thing, when bull fights, it's the grass that gets tumbled. So, it seems to me we should just make collaboration, and English should be our national language.
But I don't see eye to eye with you if you talk
Why?
in English.
Mister, you put yourself in front of Kerala's people and then you say to me, English should not be our national language, Hindi should be our national language.
I am real patriot, so I don't want to leave my native
What
language.
is
And
this?
you know, right now, you know.
What is
there
this?
is big relation
Mister,
between Hindis and us.
those people who resides in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, they are not real patriot.
Mister, I am saying.
Only you are real
right now,
patriot. Only Biharis and Uttar Pradesh people are real patriots.
There is big relation between Hindis and us. You know, I am talking about Bihar people. You know,
Yeah.
we can express anything. We can show.
No, Mister.
Any types of thing at blink of
Mister,
an eye.
you are excessive towards our states. You are not thinking about other states. You are not
Mister,
thinking about job opportunities.
but
You are not
Mister,
thinking about
Mister,
future.
you know-
You are just saying it's our native language, so it should be our national language. But you are not thinking further. You are not seeing further.
Mister, if you talk about
Okay, stop. Everyone clap, both of them. So guys, आप लोगों ने सुना कैसे इन बंदों ने इंग्लिश को बिल्कुल धारा परवा, है ना, धारा परवा बिना रुके ऑन एंड ऑन। और एक चीज़ मैं आप लोगों को और बता दूं दोस्त कि एक्चुअली क्या है कि हम लोग यहाँ पे जो भी कर रहे हैं ना, उसमें वीडियो हम एडिट नहीं करते। अगर थंबनेल वगैरह लगाते हैं, एडिट नहीं करते। ये बच्चे ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब वीडियो से काट के 2 लाइन बोला फिर काट के वो किया, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। हम फेसबुक पे लाइव करते हैं ना। सो आपको पूरी अंग्रेजी आपको धारा बराबर सिखाई जाएगी। अब आप इन बंदों से सुने कि ये अभी प्रेजेंट में क्या कर रहे हैं और इन्होंने अंग्रेजी कैसे सीखा है। उस रूल को आपको फॉलो करना है इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश। ओके, सो मिस्टर अहमद, आप अपने बारे में बताइए, अपना नाम बताइए, आप कहाँ से हो, आप क्या कर रहे हो ये बताइए, और ये अंग्रेजी जो हमारे व्यूअर है वो कैसे सीखेंगे इस बात को। हाँ, हिंदी में, नॉट इन इंग्लिश।
मेरा नाम अहमद रजा है और मैं अभी BA पार्ट 2 में हूँ और मैं इस कोचिंग में लगभग 1 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँ और अभी तक बहुत सारा सीख गया हूँ। अभी मैंने यहाँ पे सिर्फ 7 चैप्टर ही कंप्लीट किया है और मैं अभी अच्छा से बोलने में पूरा सक्षम हूँ। कहीं पे थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ा जाता है कि मैं सुमेरा से हूँ। सो आप भी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं तो यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो देखिए। चैप्टर तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा, जो ऑफलाइन क्लास करते हो उसको तो चैप्टर पढ़ना पड़ेगा, डिबेट सुनना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद
मेरा नाम विकास चौधरी है, हम सुमेरा में रहते हैं। अभी मैं SSC का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा हूँ और आज से लगभग 1.5 साल पहले हमको लगता था कि हम लोग इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं, ग्रामर्स, रूल्स, वोकैब्स, बट बोल नहीं सकते हैं। लेकिन सर के पास जब आए तो पता चला कि हम लोग अंग्रेज जैसा अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हैं और इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है। सर जो नोट्स लेके आते थे उसको हम रिवाइज करते थे, वोकैब एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ते थे और उसके बाद कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हम काम करते थे। जैसे हमको कुछ इंग्लिश समझ में आने लगा था तो उसके बाद हम ना इंग्लिश सुनना स्टार्ट कर दिए थे। न्यूज एंकर से बोलता था ना इंग्लिश में न्यूज, तो उसको सुनते थे। डेली मेरा काम था इंग्लिश में कुछ भी 1 से 2 पेज लिखना, पॉइंट बनाना। उसके बाद मेरा काम था रीडिंग करना। डेली हम 15 से 20 मिनट लाउडली बोलते थे और वही है, सुनना है इंग्लिश में, लिखना है इंग्लिश में, पढ़ना है इंग्लिश में और कुछ वोकैब याद करते रहिए। इतना अगर करिएगा तो आप डेफिनेटली 5 से 6 महीने में कुछ बोलने लगिएगा और 1 साल में तो हम लोगों जैसा बोलने लगिएगा।
स्कूलिंग बिहार बोर्ड से की होगी CBSE?
नहीं, हम बिहार बोर्ड के स्टूडेंट हैं। 11th 10th 12th सब बिहार बोर्ड से किए हैं।
आप बताइए, आप बिहार बोर्ड से हो?
हाँ, हम भी बिहार बोर्ड के ही स्टूडेंट है। हम भी पहला से लेके अभी BA पार्ट में सब बिहार बोर्ड से कंप्लीट